I used to think running ads was enough to get sales for my online store. I'd spend hours making graphics, tweaking captions, and testing campaigns, but nothing clicked. My brand just felt robotic. Then one day, I stumbled across the secret that completely changed everything: authentic UGC, or user generated content. And today, I'll show you exactly how I got authentic UGC videos for my store using Fiverr, without having to beg customers or spend thousands on agencies. My biggest frustration was that people weren't connecting with my ads. They'd scroll right past. The products were good, but it looked like just another generic brand. That's when I realized people don't want polished ads anymore. They want authenticity. They want to see real people using products in real life, not just a staged commercial. And honestly, I didn't have time to find random creators, negotiate, and hope they'd deliver. That's when I learned about UGC videos made by creators who act like your customers. These aren't celebrities or influencers, just everyday people who know how to make content that feels real, authentic, and trustworthy. So instead of chasing customers for testimonials, I went on Fiverr, and guess what? There are thousands of creators there who specialize in making UGC videos tailored for brands. They film, edit, and deliver content that feels natural, but is designed to convert. Here's exactly how it works. Browse UGC creators. On Fiverr, you can search for creators by niche: beauty, fitness, tech, fashion, food, you name it. Check portfolios. Each creator has samples so you can see their style. Some look like TikTok skits, others like casual testimonials. Place your order. You give them your product details, the message you want, and any guidelines. They handle the filming, editing, and delivery. Get plug-and-play content. Once you receive the video, you can run it as an ad. Post it on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or even embed it on your store. The best part? You don't have to manage a team or hire expensive agencies. Fiverr makes it direct, and the first time I ran a Fiverr UGC video ad, I was shocked. It wasn't perfect lighting or studio quality. It was just a girl unboxing my product on her couch, talking about it like she would to a friend. And that video outperformed all my polished ads combined. Why? Because people trust people, not logos. When shoppers see someone who looks like them using your product, it feels real, it feels safe, and safe leads to sales. Affordable. After a few weeks of testing UGC from Fiverr, my store finally came alive. My engagement shot up, ads started converting, and customers even messaged me saying, "I saw someone using your product on TikTok and had to try it." UGC made my brand feel human again, and that's exactly what people are craving in 2025. So, if you've been struggling to make your brand stand out, stop wasting money on boring ads. Go to Fiverr, search for UGC creators, and let them create authentic content that speaks directly to your customers. If you want results faster, check out Fiverr gigs for human UGC videos. It might just be the shortcut that finally takes your brand from silent to soaring. I'll drop the link below so you can check out the exact Fiverr UGC services I recommend, the same ones that transformed my brand.